guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Do you remember a few months ago, our clients had chosen a beautiful apartment. We looked at so many, and they hired Antonello and Mimo Linza to do the renovations. Now the renovations are almost done. Antonello tells us there's just some tile and stuff to put in. They just arrived, and we're all gonna go check it out. So that was before, now we're during, and pretty soon we're gonna show you after. Before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of really important information coming up. Hi guys, we're here with Antonello and Mimo's team and Nelson and our clients Pam and Tom, and we are doing the during video where everything is looking pretty darn good, although there's a few more things that need to be done. So hello from Scalea, guys. Ciao da Scalea.
Ciao. Ciao.
Hi guys, we're going in. Come on. In here, I don't know if you remember all these walls. There was a ton of walls here, and there was a lot of space, but not like it is now. They opened up this whole space here, making a big kitchen dining room area and living room area with these gorgeous tiles. Wait till you see these tiles, they're stunning. So if you come through here, you can see the kitchen. Come on. Here's where the kitchen is going to be. They have tiles going to be on this wall. Over here, you've got the kitchen, you've got the bulky stoves and things like that on this wall with these beautiful tiles. Now, as you can see, they're going to have these gorgeous Amalfitana tiles here. And when you put them all together, they make this beautiful pattern. It's going to be along this wall and along that wall with the kitchen. And they've got a beautiful balcony space out there for summer eating. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Here you've got a big luminous bedroom. It's just gorgeous for when they have guests over or if they want a studio space. I know that Pam likes to paint, so this might end up being her art studio when she doesn't have guests. Now in here's the bathroom. It's very big, and they're going to have the shower along this wall with a nice big window for a lot of ventilation. Over here you have the toilet and bidet. You can see there's a beautiful niche there that's going to have some gorgeous shelving in there. It's going to be a really nice, functional, comfortable bathroom. Now you can see that Pam was in here with her Sharpie. And she made sure everything was on the wall right where it needed to be. And in here is the master bedroom. It's beautifully light and bright. And out here you've got a big balcony. Let's take a look. And this is a lovely balcony that actually looks out over the street. This is a really nice cul-de-sac. So you don't have a lot of traffic screaming through here all the time. And there's kids playing and things like that. It's a family neighborhood. It's just a really beautiful selection of property for this particular renovation. And our client's like a big shower. And I'm telling you, this is a big shower. The shower pan is almost as big as the bed.